Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, I have a very special product to show you, the Huawei Watch GT4, a smartwatch that combines style, functionality and performance. The Huawei Watch GT4 is the newest addition to the Huawei Watch GT series, which has been praised for its long battery life, accurate health monitoring, and sleek design. The Watch GT4 takes it to the next level with some amazing features that makes it stand out from the crowd. Come on guys, let's take a look at what this watch can offer. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First of all, let's do the unboxing. The Huawei Watch GT series has a black classic box. Inside you will see the watch itself, and I have here the brown classic edition, which is 46mm, with a stainless steel frame paired with fine cuff leather straps, which just looks good and premium. Great for casual or business attire. Along with that, here are the user's guide and the wireless magnetic charger. The Watch GT4 has a stunning octagonal design that is inspired by the classic pocket watch. The watch comes with two sizes options, which is 46mm and 41mm with different colors that's suited to all consumers. It has black vibrant, brown classic edition, green fashion and gray premium edition for 46mm, and for 41mm there are white fashion edition, black vibrant, light gold and silver premium edition. You can also customize the watch faces with hundreds of options to suit your mood and style. The Watch GT4 has a large 1.43-inch AMOLED display that has a resolution of 466 by 466 pixel and pixel density of 326 ppi. The display is bright and clear, and you can easily read the time and notifications even in direct sunlight. The display also supports touch gesture and swipe navigation, making it easy to access the various functions of the watch. The digital crown is much improved as well. Zooming in and out is also more smoother, scrolling and volume adjustment as well. Along with that, here is for shortcut button. This watch is powered by Harmony OS 4.0, Huawei's own operating system that is optimized for smart devices. Harmony OS 4.0 offers a smooth and seamless user experience with fast performance, low power consumption, and high compatibility. You can pair the watch with your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.2 and enjoy features such as music playback, phone calls, messages, notifications, and more. You can also use NFC to make payments using Huawei Wallet, but it's only available in China, or access public transportation with just a tap of your wrist. The Huawei Watch GT4 is a fitness companion that can help you stay healthy and fit. The watch supports over 100 plus sport modes, including running, cycling, swimming, hiking, golfing, skiing, and more. The watch can track your workout data such as calories burned, distance covered, speed, heart rate, cadence, altitude, and more. You can also use the new Stay Fit app for scientific calorie management. You can easily manage your calorie deficit, calorie intake, and calorie burn in real time, and manage your workout data and get personalized guidance and feedback. The Huawei Watch GT4 is a health monitor that can keep an eye on your vital signs and well-being. The watch uses Huawei's TrueSync 5.5 Plus algorithm to provide more accurate monitoring for heart rate, blood oxygen saturation or SpO2, sleep quality, stress level, and body temperature. There is a new feature called PWA, or Pulse Wave Arrhythmia Analysis, which the watch can alert you if it detects any abnormality or risk in your heartbeat status and provide suggestions on how to improve it. Also, it has True Sleep 3.0 with OSA, or obstructive sleep apnea. While you are sleeping, the watch will analyze your sleep breathing quality if it is normal, low, medium, or high, and provide some recommendations. Lastly, the Huawei Watch GT4 has impressive battery life that can last up to 14 days of regular use on a single charge, or up to 4 days if always on display or AOD is enabled. The watch has a 524 mAh battery that supports wireless charging as well. You can also use the power saving mode to extend the battery life even further if you need to. As you can see, the Huawei Watch GT4 is a smartwatch that has it all: beauty, brains, and brawn. It is one of the coolest smartwatch on the market right now, and I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a premium device that can enhance their lifestyle. Alright guys, that's it for today's review of the new Huawei Watch GT4, the latest smartwatch from Huawei that offers some impressive specs and features. What do you think guys of this device? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.